Falsterbo, the beautiful beach trail of southwest Skåne region in Sweden. Actual SL5 ÖRESUND section 21 trail is 9 km, but we decided to start 6 km ahead of it because we had full day with us to enjoy the beauty of this nature. Thanks to skåneleden.se as they have given directions and correct markings for all the trails in Skåne, which helps each and everyone, even though any person who is new to Skåne can follow all the paths very easily. This trail is good for beach lovers and people who like to hang around with friends. The water of the sea is very clean, but a lot of seaweed can be found on the seashores. Follow the weather prediction before starting trail and dress up accordingly, as it was very windy and had little showers when we started. The small watchtower is attractive with its vibrant colors, and one can enjoy the view from top of it. After covering certain distance, the trail is diverted to the land side, since it has largest nature reserve in Skåne. Lot of trees and greenery can be found along the trail. Lot of birds can be seen in the nature reserve. Carry binoculars if you are interested in bird watching. Once the nature reserve ends, the golf club starts, and white beach huts can be found next to it. The view is mesmerizing of white sand, white huts and blue sea. This needs to be captured in mind forever, along with your camera for sure. This is Alpa signing off for now. Hope you enjoyed this video along with us, which would encourage you to visit Falsterbo. And stay tuned for our next video. Hello!